In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Epson Expression Home XP-620 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson Expression Home XP-620 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you'll come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson XP-620. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and select your operating system from the drop-down menu, whether it's Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and proceed to download that file. And then once it's on your computer, open it up. Should be a signed publisher from Epson. Select yes to proceed. And then just give it a moment to begin extracting the files. This should have everything you need in order to set up your printer, wired or wireless printing, as well as optional features you may want to install alongside of your printer software. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.